It's gray, not white. It's like a gray.
Talking about me?
No, the paint, not your hair. I don't see how you could paint and then all of a sudden your glasses fall down and then your vision has to readjust to that. Oh yeah, you can't see anyways.
That's it. Can't see with or without them. I wear them to make myself look sophisticated. Remember in school, all the geeks, you know, the smart kids, they're the ones who had glasses. So, now that I'm older and don't care about image, I got the geek glasses going on so I look like I'm smart.
You're one fart smeller, all right.
Yeah, does it work? Anybody buying it? 'Cause I'm not.
Dude, you try to sell anything.
Yep. I used to sell horseshit when horseshit couldn't be given.
Look at it's got mirrors. They're behind me, and I'm not getting up. There's mirrors in this room. See, you can see him. That's in the mirror. See, 'cause there's my phone. Here. Oh, you're being drippy.